Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine. Please open your workbooks. As you know that we have completed our exercises of the poem Leisure from our book activities. Today we will be doing our workbook activities, and almost they are the same activities that we have done in our book. In book you remember that we have done about subject and object activities, and what I told you about subject. Here the same activities are again. They want us to underline the subject in the following. So before proceeding, let's recall what is subject. Students, you remember I told you that subject is a part of sentence that contains the person or thing performing action. Or you can say the doer of action is the subject, right? Or you can say the subject is the performer of the action. Okay? So here in first sentence, the boy asked a question. Who asked the question? The boy. So we'll underline only the boy. In second sentence, she went to the market. Who went to the market? So the answer is she. Underline she. Third sentence, the children played under the old banyan tree. Who are playing under the old banyan tree? The children. So underline the children. Number D, Rehan and Rida talked to the police officer. Who talked to the police officer? Rehan and Rida. Who are the performer of the action? Rehan and Rida. Second last is the big brown bear climbed the rocky path. Who climbed the rocky path? Who is the performer of the action here? The big brown bear. Okay, students, remember we will even underline the adjectives of the noun or the subject also. Okay, bear is our subject, but the big brown is also defining the bear. So we'll have to underline the whole phrase, the big brown bear. The last is the man who sold me the bicycle is walking down the road. Who is walking down the road? Who is walking down the road? The man. Which man? Who sold me the bicycle? So this is the complete information about the subject, okay? So you are not only going to underline the man, you will also underline the information related to that subject. Who sold me the bicycle? Understood? Come to the next page. Here they said fill in the blanks with suitable subjects. Okay. This is your choice. You can write anything, any subject of your choice. For example, A. Dash woke me up with a scream. It can be the neighbors, or the wind woke me up with a scream, or the children woke me up with a scream. Anything. You are going to add subjects here, okay? B is Dash told the boy to go home. The woman, it can be the man also. It can be anything. C is Dash gave the beggar a coin. My sister gave the beggar a coin. It can be my brother gave a beggar a coin, or my father gave a beggar a coin, okay? D is Dash is looking out of the window. Sarah is looking out of the window. It can be Maham looking out of the window. It can be Rital looking out of the window. Anything. Any subject of your choice. The last is Ari found the treasure chest. You can write any name, any subject here, okay? Hope you have understood this activity also. Similarly, here they want us to underline all the direct objects in the following sentences. Students, as we discussed that subject is the performer of the action. Similarly, we discussed that object is the receiver of the action. Okay? Subject is the doer or the performer of the action, whereas object is the receiver of the action. Or you can say it is the one who or what that the subject does something. Okay? We will see in the examples. The first sentence, my father sang a song. So you will see first what is the verb here. Verb is sang. So the verb will direct have a relationship with the object. Like sang a song. What the verb is doing, what the action is doing with something. The action is singing a song. Okay, so a song is our object. The children danced a jig. Underline a jig. So the verb danced, you can say a jig is the direct object of the verb danced, right? My father lost an extremely valuable watch. What is the object here? As I told you that it is the receiver of the action. So what is the action? Action is lost. What is lost? What is to be lost? It is the extremely valuable watch, right? Then my mother found a 100-rupee note. So how the sentence is, what is the receiver of the action here? So you will have to think, what is action here? Action is found. So what to be found? A 100-rupee note, right? A 100-rupee note is the receiver of the action found. The last is the children spent the money. So what is action here? Spent. What to be spent? What is the receiver of the action? The money is the receiver of the action. Understood? Before this activity, what we did about subjects, they were the doer or the performer of the action, right? But objects are the receiver of the action. You will have to see the verb before notifying the object. The verb will tell you that what is to be notifying, on which thing the work is being done. Hope you have understood this.